Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another LA Colors product. It's actually kind of wild that there are still LA Colors products that I have not tried out yet because I feel like I have tried out so many because it's seriously one of my favorite brands. But what is so great about LA Colors is that they're always coming out with new products and they're always really on trend with the latest makeup trends, I guess, or fads. And so this one here is not a super trendy product. I feel like it's pretty classic, but it also is still kind of trendy because it's the Oh So Shiny lip color. And remember when matte lips were all the rage? Well, I will say that I think there's more of a shine coming back into style, and like a lip gloss on top of a liquid lipstick I feel like is the go-to. But maybe this combines two in one. So I got this in the shade Beam, and it only cost $1.55 from Family Dollar, which this was part of that huge Family Dollar makeup haul that I did here on YouTube, which if you haven't seen that video yet, you should definitely check it out. I'm excited to see how this shade is going to look. I thought it would go with my sweater pretty nicely. So before I apply it to my lips, let's see how it swatches. And it actually looks like it might have some shimmer to it. Ooh, it has like a lip balm texture, but very pigmented. And yeah, it does have like a silver, very tiny shimmer to it, which I think is going to add to the shine. So here you can see the swatch, a really pretty orangey coral. I think this will be a nice spring and summer shade. So I'm really liking the swatch. Let's hope that I like how it looks on my lips. Here we go. Very pigmented, and it glides right on super easily. But it's not as shiny as I was expecting, but it does have that shimmer that kind of gives it more of a metallic finish. So I think the name of this is a little misleading. If I was expecting more of like a shimmery metallic lip, I would be so happy with this, and I am happy with this. But I was expecting, like I was saying, more of like a lip gloss, lipstick type of combination look. And this is definitely different, but still so pretty. I love this shade. I feel like it's pretty flattering and definitely a great spring summer shade. And my lips, before I applied this, were dry and chapped, just like they seem to always be. And this is not clinging to the dry patches. It's moisturizing. It really does remind me of a lip balm, but with full pigmented color and a beautiful metallic sheen. It does have such a creamy feel to it that I think there's gonna be a lot of transfer. So let's see. Yeah, full kiss mark of transfer. And that's the thing that I don't love about lip products. Now let's see if it's faded. Actually, I mean, it did fade, but not as much as I was expecting it to. So at least this is still going to be pretty long lasting, even with all the transfer. So it's going to get all over anything my lips touch if I eat or drink. And that's why I don't really love these types of lip products, because it just becomes so messy and I have to reapply it. So that's why I tend to prefer long-lasting liquid formulas. But for that classic bullet style type of lipstick that you know is going to transfer, this is a great option. And for only $1.55, I have tried out so many expensive high-end bullet type lipsticks that are not nearly as good as this very inexpensive version. So that's why I really love LA Colors. They pretty much have any type of makeup product that you want for such an amazing price and great quality that's so comparable to expensive products. And this is kind of taking that bullet lipstick and amplifying it with that metallic shimmer to it. And I like that it's in the skinnier shape and such a beautiful shade. And because of all that, I am very happy with this, and I would definitely recommend it if that's something that you're looking for. And so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.